good morning. Kindly introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam, Sir. I'm Marilyn E. Villamor. I'm 44 years old, very much single, from the Philippines.
Okay. So, how many sisters they have?
I have only one sister. Her name is Mary Ann, 45 years old,
And you are the
youngest.
youngest. Okay. So, you don't have any brothers?
No,
Okay. You are single. So, are you living with your parents?
yes,
Okay. So, do you have any experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
yes, ma'am.
In which country?
In Qatar,
In Qatar. So, how long did you stay in that employer?
from 2008 to 2010.
So, 2 years. Did you finish your contract there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many they are in the family?
4.
4. They have kids?
Yes,
Okay.
2 kids.
Okay. And aside from Qatar, they have abroad working experience?
Yes, ma'am.
In which
In
country?
Dubai.
In
Dubai,
Dubai.
UAE.
Okay. For how long did you stay in that employer?
From 2012 to 2014.
Okay. So, did you finish your 2 years contract
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
How many they are in the family?
7.
7. They have kids?
Yes.
How many kids they have?
5.
5. Okay. How about in the Philippines? Do you have any experience working as a house helper?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long did you stay in that employer?
From 2012 to 2010, 2012.
Okay. How many there in the family?
3.
3.
But
They have-
only 1 kid,
Okay.
newborn baby.
Newborn baby and the couples.
Yes.
Okay. What are your main duties in your previous employer?
Taking care, washing, ironing, cleaning, sometimes washing car.
Washing car. How about marketing?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay. So, why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because of high salary.
Okay. Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes.
Like
yes,
what?
Fried chicken, fried rice, steamed fried vegetable.
Okay. So, if your employer has a small baby and the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will give him, because she is hungry, I will give milk.
Okay. And if the baby is still crying and feeling sleepy, what will you do?
I will get the baby and I sing lullaby.
Okay. And put him into...
Crib.
Okay. So, and if the baby is sick, what will you do?
I will give temperature.
And then?
And then I will call Madam.
Okay. So, what can you teach the employer's children, Marilyn?
I will teach them how to write, how to read, how to speak English.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you give us an example?
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Thank you. Are you afraid of dogs and cats, Marilyn?
No, I
No?
love dogs.
You love pets. Okay. So, do you have any special skills aside from housekeeping?
Yes, cooking.
Cooking? So, what can you say about yourself, especially your attitude?
I'm the kind of person honest, obedient, hardworking, and loving.
Loving. Okay. Can you give us a short message, Marilyn, to your future employers so that they will hire you?
Good day, Madam, Sir. If you given me a chance to get me going to Hong Kong, I will promise I will be obedient, honest, and giving hard worker. That's all.
Okay. Do you promise to finish your 2 years contract, Marilyn?
Yes, I will promise. Finish my
Okay.
contract.
Is that all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.